Hello and welcome to our channel. Are you learning English? Great! Let's learn English with a very interesting story. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Let's get started.
My name is Anna. I am an elder sister. I love my younger sister very much. She is 27 years old. She finished university and has a good job. Our parents and I are very proud of her. Our parents gave her an apartment. We all wanted her to be happy. We hoped for a good future for her. We dreamed of her getting married and starting a family. But now I am very sad. I found out a secret. My sister is seeing a married man. My heart hurts. I haven't told our parents. They are proud of her, especially our father. I am afraid. I don't want to hurt them. I think about my sister. She is smart and kind. She is beautiful and independent. Why is she with a married man? She doesn't need him. She can find someone better. One day, I decide to talk to her. I sit with her in the living room. My hands shake. My heart beats fast. I say, I know your secret. She looks at me surprised. She doesn't lie. She says, it's my life. It's not your problem. I feel pain in my heart. I don't want to fight. I want to protect her. I say, he's married. He has a wife. He's not free. She says, I love him. He loves me. He will leave his wife. I don't believe her. I've heard many stories. Married men make promises. They say they'll leave their wives, but they don't. I say, if you don't stop, I will tell his wife. My sister gets angry. She shouts at me. Her words hurt. I've never heard her speak like this. My heart breaks. I say, I'm your sister. I love you. I don't want this life for you. She doesn't listen. She calls me old-fashioned. She says, I don't understand. Tears fall from my eyes. I say, you deserve better. You are young, smart, beautiful. Why do you want a man who lies? She looks away. She doesn't answer. I feel helpless. I talk to a close friend. I cry. My friend says she's an adult. She can make mistakes. I say, I don't want her to suffer. This man will not make her happy. Our parents don't know. They are proud of her. If they find out, they'll be heartbroken. At night, I can't sleep. I think about her future, this man, her choices. I remember her as a little girl, sweet, hopeful, full of dreams. Why is she doing this? Is she lonely? Does she believe his lies? Days pass. I try to talk to her again. I ask, what if he doesn't leave his wife? She says, he will. He loves me. I ask, what if he's lying? What if you waste your life? She says, I don't care. I want to be with him. I feel tired, sad. My heart is heavy. I want her to be happy and proud. But I see pain in her future. I want to protect her. One day I ask again, do you trust him? She says, yes, I do. I say, if he loves you, why is he still with his wife? She doesn't answer. Her face looks music sad. I love my sister. I want the best for her, but she doesn't listen. I think about the future. Will she be happy? Will she be hurt? I pray for her. I hope she understands. I hope she chooses better. A sister's love is strong. A sister's worry never ends. Days pass. I try to stay calm. I want to talk to her again, but I'm afraid. I don't want to fight. I don't want to lose her. One evening, I sit alone in the kitchen. Our father reads a book in the living room. I look at my phone. I want to call her, but I don't know what to say. I remember her childhood, how happy she was, how much she loved reading and playing with friends. She always listened to me. Now, everything feels different. I decide to call her. My hands shake. She answers. Her voice is quiet. I say, can we talk? She says, I'm busy. I say, please, I miss you. After a moment, she says, okay, I'll come tomorrow. The next day, she arrives. She looks tired. I make tea. We sit at the table. I look at her and say, I love you. I'm worried about you. She sighs. Sis, I'm fine. Why can't you understand? I feel tears. I want you to be happy, but this man will hurt you. She looks away. He loves me. You don't know him. I take a deep breath. If he loves you, why is he still with his wife? She doesn't answer. Her face is sad. I say softly, you are strong, smart. You deserve a man who is free, who gives you his whole heart. She looks at me. I see pain. I love him, sis. I can't stop. I touch her hand. Love shouldn't hurt. Real love is honest and kind. She pulls her hand away. I don't want to talk anymore. My heart breaks again. Please think about your future, I say. She stands up. I'm leaving. Don't call me again about this. I watch her walk away. My tears fall. I feel helpless. Weeks pass. She doesn't call. Our father asks, why is she so busy? I don't know what to say. I keep her secret, but it's heavy. One day my sister calls. Her voice is soft. Sis, can I come over? I feel hope. Yes, my dear. Come anytime. She arrives in the evening, tired and sad. I make her favorite dinner. We sit. After a long silence, she says, he lied to me. My heart breaks again. What happened? She takes a deep breath. He said he'd leave his wife, but he didn't. He said he loved me. Now, he won't answer my calls. I reach for her hand. I'm so sorry, my love. Tears fall from her eyes. I thought he loved me. I believed him. I hold her hand tightly. You are not alone. I'm here for you. She cries softly. I feel so stupid. I shake my head. No, you're not. You wanted love. You believed. That's not wrong. She leans on my shoulder. I feel broken, sis. I hold her close. You'll heal. You are strong. You'll find someone better. Someone who loves you fully. For the first time in weeks, I feel hope. My sister is hurt, but she's home. She will be okay. I kiss her forehead. I love you. I will always love you. She whispers, thank you, sis. And in that moment, I know she will find her way again.